Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom button for items in Zoho Books. This feature allows you to create specialized buttons that streamline your workflow and give you quick access to specific actions right from your item pages. To get started, open your browser and navigate to zoho.com/inventory. Once you're there, log in using your Zoho inventory account credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account that has the items you want to customize. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look up to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the gear icon. This is your settings menu, and it's where all the customization magic happens. Click on that gear icon to open up your settings options. From the settings menu, you'll see various modules listed. Under the general section, locate and click on items. This takes you into the item configuration area where you can customize how your items behave and appear throughout Zoho inventory. Once you're in the general item settings, pay attention to the top side menu. You'll notice several tabs and options available here. Look through these options and select custom buttons. This is the specific area where you can create and manage all your custom button actions for items. Now you're ready to create your button. Click on the new custom button option, usually marked with a plus sign. This opens up the button creation interface where you'll define exactly how your custom button will work. In the first field, enter the name for your custom button. Choose something clear and descriptive that reflects the action this button will perform, making it easy for you and your team to understand its purpose at a glance. Next, you'll need to define the button type. Click the drop-down arrow on the Fields tab to see all available options. Select the type that best matches the functionality you need for this particular button. After setting the button type, you'll need to choose where this button should appear on your item pages. Select the location that makes the most sense for your workflow. Here's a helpful tip. Click the preview option to see exactly how your button will appear in that location before you commit to it. This preview feature saves you time by showing you the exact placement and appearance. Once you've configured everything and you're satisfied with how the button looks and where it's positioned, click Save to finalize your custom button. Your new button is now active and ready to use across your items in Zoho inventory. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.